Hi guys, welcome to Paswan Coaching Center, and right now I am sitting. I am going to tell you about today's routine. So from morning to till now, what did I do? So today at 5:30 o'clock I got up, and after that I went on upstairs. I washed my face, and after that I came to downstairs, and the student started coming. Few students came at 5:30 o'clock, and after that they started preparing for the test. As I said many times in my previous video that on Sunday I take the test of the students. So they started preparing, and I was just sitting, and I was just speaking English. And after that all the students came till 6:30 o'clock. All the students came, and some of my students didn't come, so I sent the students to go to their home and call them, and whether why they do not want to come, you have to ask from their parents. So went to their home, they asked from their parents, and they brought some students, and I asked a few of them that why didn't you came, why didn't you come. And after that 7 o'clock I took the test. I did not listen from them. Today I was listen from them, but I didn't listen. And after that is till 7:30 o'clock I talked with them, since the Independence Day is about to come. So I started asking them that how much money could you give, since I celebrate the 15 August with the students. So I talked with them, and they said that we could give 50 rupees. So we decided that the students who will give us 50 rupees will have the sabji and puri. So we will prepare the sabji and puri on 15 August, and we will celebrate the Independence Day with them. So after talking with almost 30 minutes, after that I gave them permission, and as I didn't take the test of the students, so they were very happy. They started clapping. They started thinking that today we are not going to be beaten. We are not going to be beaten. So they were so much happy, and I also watched their faces. And you could learn while sitting here. Okay. Namaste. So I thought that they were so much happy, and when they were happy, so I was also happy, because the students, whenever I teach them, so I always think the time of mine. So I also got happy when they got happy. And after that 7:30, 7:45, 40:50 they went to their home. And after they went, I went on upstairs, and I brushed my teeth, and after that I took bath. Since the older students were about to come, so I went on upstairs and brushed my teeth. I took bath, and after that I came to downstairs, and I put on my clothes. And since that time the student had come, so I came here, and I started teaching them about the science till 10 o'clock. I taught them about the science, and after that they went to their home at 10 o'clock. And once again at 10 o'clock I went, and I had some food, since I was tired, so I had something. And after that they went to their home. After going to the student to their home, I had something. And after that till on at 3 o'clock I will have to teach. So that's why in order to that I started using the phone, and within 30-45 minutes I watched the contents in English. Survivor blogs I watched, and after that I got tired. I slept, and at 2 o'clock I got up, and once again I went upstairs, and I bathed a little bit bathed. And after that the student came, and I started teaching them at 3 o'clock to right now. Also I was teaching, and now I am free. The student have gone to their home, and so I thought that I should use the technology. I should talk. We should, you know, when you start talking, so at the time your English start improving. Before that your English is not going to be fluent. So I started talking with you, and now I'm going to tell you what will I do. So after making this video, I will go, and I will have something. And firstly I will go on upstairs, and I will wash my face, and after that I will have something. And after that I start watching all the contents in English, and after that I will take my dinner at night, and after that I will sleep. So this would be my routine of past to future of days. So thank you for listening and for watching. Thank you.